To enable Apple Pay NFC payments, you need to start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay. This includes iPhone 6 and later models, Apple Watch, iPad Air 2 and later, and Mac models from 2012 and later. First, you need to add a credit or debit card to the Wallet app on your device. To do this, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. Next, use your device's camera to capture the card information, or you can enter the information manually. You may be asked to provide additional verification information, such as the card security code or expiration date. Once you have added your card, you may need to verify it with your bank. This is a security step to ensure that you are the owner of the card. Your bank may send you a verification code via email or text message, which you will need to enter on your device. After verifying your card, you can start using Apple Pay to make NFC payments. To do this, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch by double-clicking the side button and holding the watch near the terminal. On Mac models, you can use Apple Pay on the web in Safari by clicking the Apple Pay button on the checkout page. It is also important to note that you should only add cards to Apple Pay that you trust, and make sure to keep your device and card information secure. You can do this by using a passcode or Face ID to lock your device, and by monitoring your account activity regularly. In addition, you can also use Apple Pay in apps and on websites. Many apps, such as Uber and Starbucks, allow you to use Apple Pay to make purchases within the app. When you are checking out, simply select Apple Pay as the payment method and authenticate the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Overall, enabling Apple Pay NFC payments is a simple and secure way to make payments using your device. By following these steps, you can start using Apple Pay to make convenient and contactless payments.